the misty hills so high, where the clouds embrace the sky. The sorrow till the waters cry, where love was lost and faith denied. Oh, Nongkalikai, your tears still fall, echoing pain, a mother's call. Through the valley, through the rain, forever flows her endless pain. In a home by cliffs so steep lived a mother love so deep. But fate was cruel, her heart was torn. A child she loved was now no more. Oh, Nongkalikai, your tears still fall, echoing pain, a moan through the valley, through the rain, forever, forever pain. The river roars, the wind still weeps, carrying secrets dark and deep. Yet in your beauty, hearts still find a silent peace, a love divine. So let your waters gently glide, wash away the tears we hide. Oh, Nongkalikai, though pain remains, your soul still sings through nature's veins. 예수지 소매 난 싸우니 바로 시세